Hello! Today I'm sharing some of my favorite natural solutions to help with nausea and morning sickness. Whether you're pregnant or you're just dealing with unsettled stomach, trust me, these oils make a world of difference. Essential oils are a fantastic choice because they're safe, natural, and effective, especially during pregnancy when you want to avoid harsh chemicals and meds. But before we dive in, it's important to note that there's just some oils that you want to avoid during pregnancy. While the majority of CPTG essential oils are perfectly safe to use during pregnancy, you'll want to avoid any oils that may affect your hormones, like fennel or clary sage. Let's dive in. Here are the top oils that work wonders for nausea. First is ginger. It's known for its powerful anti-nausea properties. It's gentle and safe, making it a top choice for morning sickness. Peppermint is refreshing and cooling. Peppermint helps soothe an upset stomach almost instantly. Next is spearmint, a milder cousin to peppermint that's great for sensitive stomachs, especially during pregnancy. And digestive. This powerhouse blend combines many of the best digestive oils to provide quick relief and support digestion. Now that you know which oils to use, here's how to apply them for maximum relief. First of all, you can use it topical. Apply 1 to 2 drops of oil behind your ears or over your navel. Do this hourly if you're experiencing consistent nausea. Here's a simple DIY roller blend for easy topical application. Combine 10 drops each of ginger, peppermint, and spearmint in a 10 milliliter roller bottle. Fill the rest with fractionated coconut oil and apply over your abdomen area as needed for quick relief. So you can also use it for diffusing. And here's how you could use it for diffusing. Add 4 to 5 drops of each oil to your diffuser. This is perfect when you need relief, but you prefer not to apply the oils topically. And you can also use these internally. I love this way. Add 2 to 3 drops of your favorite nausea oil to a veggie capsule and then swallow it down. You can also add a couple of drops to a small glass of water and then drink it down that way. Here's my favorite nausea trick. It is peppermint beadlets. These are just the right size to easily swallow. Even 2-year-olds can swallow these. They're easy to use, and these tiny little beadlets, they pack a powerful punch. So here's what I do. I swallow about 5 or 6 beadlets at a time when I'm feeling nauseous, and wow, what a difference it really makes. I want to share a little story with you. Last year I was hiking Mount Timpanogos. It's a challenging but absolutely beautiful trail. As we got closer to the summit, I overheard a man telling his hiking buddy that he couldn't go on anymore because his stomach was so upset. I offered him some peppermint beadlets. I could tell he was a little unsure about what these little balls were, and he was kind of hesitant at first. But he was feeling so awful that he decided to give it a try. He swallowed 5 or 6 of these beadlets down and we went our separate ways. A few miles down the trail, we ran into each other again. And he was so excited to see me. He started telling me about how much better he was feeling. He said that he had no idea how he was going to be able to make it down the mountain because he was feeling so upset. But after he took those little peppermint beadlets, whatever those balls were, he kept saying, completely changed how he was feeling. That moment reminded me just how powerful these oils can be and how they can make a huge difference, even in very unexpected situations. Before we wrap up today, I have a gift for all of you amazing moms. And the gift is my mom's guide to essential oils. It's a free download to help you confidently use essential oils for your family's health and wellness. It's packed with easy tips, safe uses, and powerful remedies for everyday challenges. So don't forget to grab your free guide, look for the link below. And if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more natural solutions for your family's health. Thanks so much for watching today. Take care.